Ankit Hans and Areman Pandey. The national winner of Botathon competition. The competition was among 500 teams for their project on multilingual chatbot. The Botathon conducted by AB InBev. They won 1 lakh rupees cash prize.
I am Ariman. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. My area of interest lies in web development, machine learning and data science, and I love to participate in hackathons because it's my passion to develop new things.
Yeah, so we participated in AB in the Botathon 2.0 and we won the national winner prize from there. Like, how was the process? There was first a screening round, ground level screening round, in which we were selected based on the top colleges. Like top 28 colleges were present in the list, in which SRM was there. That was quite a difficult task for us, but like we managed to do it somehow. Then we built an IVR chatbot. Now Arman will explain about what we built.
Basically, this is the problem which we solved. As we all know that lot of tedious or complex tasks are going on in companies and organizations such as procurement, finance and accounting, human resources, supply chain management and IT. So in order to boost the efficiency of the companies, we developed an IVR chatbot which is helpful for customers as well as vendors. Our bot is multilingual. Basically, it supports nearly about 618 languages, and we have integrated it with various social media platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Facebook Messenger, Alexa, AmyBox, etc. So basically, these are the list of features which we incorporated in our chatbot for our customers as well as vendors. Like the customer can track payment status by order ID, and we have added an authorization via OTP. The customer can explore career opportunities and screening of a candidate can be done for a job at AB InBev. He can report any issue related to website, quality of product, staff, agent behavior, etc. He can also schedule an appointment or call regarding any queries like order, quality of product, etc. There is a mailing sign up list with the willingness of user in order to increase the customer engagement. User can also get latest ongoing offers on products. User can also track the location of package and can get an e-receipt with the help of their mail. And these are the features which we incorporated for the vendors. Basically, the vendors can increment their collaboration and the company can increase the profit. They can grab the recent offers by entering the date or month. Resetting of database session is done for each user after some interval of time. The vendors can get location of any product in warehouse because we know that finding a product in warehouse is a very humongous task. So we decided to incorporate this feature as well. This is the workflow diagram of our project.
Here it is working on the website. Our bot is working on like multilingually. That like this is Russian, this is Japanese. Then it's working on WhatsApp. It was a virtual hackathon, but it doesn't feel like that it was virtual, as like there were great mentors there like for guiding us, and like they helped a lot. There was a Discord community. We can ask any doubts when we face them, and the reply were very quick. Like everything was like fine.
Yeah, it was a very new kind of experience. Basically, we used to have frequent meets in order to discuss about the project. Overall, I must say it was a great experience because we never felt that we are participating virtually.
If our college was not present there, we could not able to participate and we could not win this hackathon. So I must thank my college, SRM IST. We would like to thank our academic advisor as well, Dr. K. Nimala, who helped a lot in this journey. I would like to thank to my faculty advisor Dr. S. Babu and Rajkumar sir for the constant support in this journey. Thanks a lot.
I would like to thank Chairperson, School of Computing, SRM IST, Dr. Revati Venkataraman, and my faculty advisor, Mrs. Sangeeta, and our HOD, Dr. B. Amuda, because without their constant support and motivation, this wouldn't have been possible.
I would also like to thank my faculty advisor Dr. S. Babu and Mrs. Sangeeta ma'am. They have helped a lot in our journey.
All the teachers are working really hard in this pandemic time. So I must thank all the faculty members and staff members because without their constant support and motivation, this wouldn't have been possible.
Ankit Han's proposal also got selected in Google Summer of Code this year in JBoss. School of Computing, Katanglutur wishes them a bright future. These two students, Ankit Hans and Ariman Pandey, has made SRM proud.